Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial we will see how we can write documentation for get with parameter. So for that let's start. So I will copy the same code that we have written for get all books. Let me just copy it and we can paste it here. Now in this one you can see we have API/books and then we can match with the actual URL. So here we have API books. I'll write so slash and then colon. ID will not work, so instead of that we have to use curly braces. So this thing that we will get as a parameter, so we have to use parameter in the input. So just before responses we can write here parameters colon and then we'll write -in. This is important, and then we can say path. Whatever data we are getting in path we will take it as input, and then we can say that name should be the ID. So this ID will be available under name. After that we can say required is equal to true, and then we can say description equal to numeric ID required. So this is description that we have given, and after that we have to provide the schema, what kind of data we are expecting. So here we can say we are expecting type equal to integer, schema and then type equal to integer. So data should be integer form. That's all we need to write here to get the API documentation for get with input. So get request by ID. So in Postman we can see if I'll pass the ID, let's say ID I am passing here 103, and we can click here, we will get one request only, one response only. The same thing we should get from here. So let's save it and we can go into the API. Let's refresh it. Now here we can see that we have one more URL is created, API/books and then ID. Once I'll click here, so I should change the description for this, and then you can see now this is used to fetch the data. Here we have parameters. So under parameters now we have ID is type of integer, and then this should be in the path. But if you will see the other APIs with parameters, we don't have any we don't need any parameters, but in this case we need parameters. So let's try out, and we can give the